Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Instagram. Let's launch the Instagram app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. You click on it, then you want to go and click on the three straight lines on the top right corner. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. Then you want to slowly scroll down to the section that will simply allow you to find the blocked accounts, which is who can see your content. The second to the last is blocked. As you can see, we have 7 blocked accounts. We want to click on blocked section and we're going to unblock the first account over here, which is this one. Unblock this account. This is what actually going to happen. After I unblock this account, they essentially will be able to interact, to post. I will be able to see their content and everything will be as usual. The most important part is that when they got blocked and now when they're unblocked, they will not get notified for none of these actions, which it's something that I believe a lot of people are looking for. As you saw, the account is already unblocked and we can simply go ahead, find them, watch them and keep interacting with them. This is how easy you can unblock someone on Instagram. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.